from its uncanny ability to mimic other animals to its incredible color-changing skin. The mimic octopus has some truly amazing abilities. Hey there, welcome to Animal Logic. Today we'll be exploring 10 amazing facts about the mimic octopus. Number 10. Master of disguise. This extraordinary creature has the unique ability to impersonate other sea creatures when it feels threatened. By mimicking the appearance and behavior of its prey or a dangerous animal, the mimic octopus fools its predators into thinking it is someone else. For example, if it comes across a lionfish, it can impersonate that venomous creature, thus avoiding becoming lunch itself. The mimic octopus has even been observed copying the way other animals move. This means that it can not only change its appearance to match its surroundings, but also its behavior. In this way, the mimic octopus is able to fool even the most intelligent predators. No, 9, up to 15 imitations. What makes the mimic octopus so remarkable is that it is capable of imitating up to 15 different types of animals. Some of the sea creatures it is known to mimic include lionfish, sea snakes, flatfish, jellyfish, and more. Its ability to take on the likeness of so many different species is truly amazing, and it is thought that with each new encounter, the mimic octopus could potentially learn and memorize another animal to imitate. This makes the mimic octopus one of the most versatile and adaptable predators in the ocean. Number 8. Smart and strategic. The mimic octopus is an incredibly smart and strategic hunter. When deciding what animal to mimic, it takes into account the specific predator it is facing. It has been observed choosing to copy a harmless fish when threatened by a large predatory fish like a grouper. However, when faced with smaller, less threatening fish, it will opt to mimic a more intimidating creature like a lionfish. This shows that the mimic octopus is able to assess the situation and decide which imitation would be most beneficial. It is able to use its knowledge of its environment and the animals around it to make the best decision for its survival. This level of intelligence is rare in nature and makes the mimic octopus truly remarkable. Number 7. First discovered in 1998. The mimic octopus was first discovered in 1998 off the coast of Sulawesi, Indonesia. It was found at depths ranging from 15 to 30 meters, where it lived among the coral reefs. At the time of its discovery, it was an unknown species and was given the scientific name Mimicoctopus mimicus. Since then, it has been observed in other parts of the Indian Ocean as well as the western Pacific Ocean. However, due to its elusive nature, not much is known about its behavior or habitat. Despite this, it is still considered to be one of the most amazing creatures in the ocean and continues to fascinate marine biologists and divers alike. Number 6. Color-changing skin. The mimic octopus has the incredible ability to change the color and texture of its skin almost instantly. This allows it to blend in with its surroundings and make it difficult for predators to spot it. For example, if it sees a jellyfish, it can change its skin to look like the jellyfish and then swim right up to it. The unsuspecting jellyfish will not realize that it is being hunted until it is too late. The mimic octopus can also change the texture of its skin to mimic the appearance of different animals. This means that it can impersonate creatures with smooth, slimy skin, as well as those with rough, scaly skin. This gives it the ability to disguise itself as a wide variety of animals, making it an incredibly effective hunter and a master of disguise. Number 5. Flexible and fast. The mimic octopus is an incredibly flexible and fast-moving creature thanks to its boneless body. This allows it to squeeze through the tightest of spaces and escape from predators in a flash. Its speed and agility are unmatched in the animal kingdom, making it one of the most elusive creatures in the ocean. Because of its lack of bones, the mimic octopus can enter the smallest cracks and crevices, making it an expert at hide and seek. This also helps it to save energy while hunting, as it does not have to expend much effort to move around. The mimic octopus is truly a marvel of nature, combining flexibility, speed, and intelligence in a way that has never been seen before. Number 4. Walks on land. While the mimic octopus is primarily an aquatic creature, it has been known to walk on land for short periods of time. This unusual ability allows it to travel across land in shallow waters, and even venture onto land to hunt. The mimic octopus can do this by using its tentacles to propel itself forward in a wave-like motion. It has been observed moving across land at a speed of up to 6 meters per minute. This may not seem like much, but for an octopus to be able to move independently on land is quite impressive. However, the mimic octopus cannot stay on land for long periods of time, as it needs to keep its body moist to survive. It is thought that the mimic octopus uses this ability to hunt for food or to escape from predators. For example, it could move from one side of a coral reef to the other to pursue a meal, or it could move onto land to hide from a predator. Whatever the reason, the mimic octopus's ability to walk on land is truly remarkable. Number 3. Incredible memory. The mimic octopus has an incredible memory which allows it to remember the shape and pattern of other sea creatures. This is essential for its survival, as it needs to be able to mimic other animals in order to hide from predators or ambush its prey. It is thought that the mimic octopus is able to remember hundreds of different shapes and patterns, allowing it to impersonate a wide variety of sea creatures. This is a remarkable ability and is likely due to the octopus's large brain and highly developed nervous system. The mimic octopus is one of the few animals that can recognize itself in the mirror, which is a sign of high intelligence. It is also able to use tools and solve problems, such as figuring out how to open a jar of food. This makes the mimic octopus an incredibly smart creature and one of the most fascinating animals in the ocean. Now, 2. Solitary by nature. The mimic octopus is a solitary creature and prefers to live alone. It spends most of its time hiding in burrows or under rocks, only coming out to hunt. This is likely due to its vulnerable nature, as the mimic octopus is often targeted by larger predatory fish. By staying hidden during the day, it is able to avoid being seen by its predators, and then it can come out at night to hunt for food. The mimic octopus is an opportunistic hunter and will eat just about anything it can catch. This includes small fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. It is also known to scavenge dead animals, which can help to keep the ocean floor clean. Although the mimic octopus is solitary, it is sometimes seen with other octopuses. This is usually during mating season, as male mimic octopuses have been observed approaching potential mates with a specific swimming pattern. No one vanishing act expert. The mimic octopus is a true master of disguise and has a knack for vanishing into thin air. When threatened, it uses a combination of mimicry, jet propulsion, and ink clouds to escape danger. The mimic octopus can mimic the color and texture of its surroundings, making it difficult for predators to spot. It can also squirt ink into the water to create a cloud of distraction. This allows the mimic octopus to quickly dart away using its jet propulsion abilities. The mimic octopus is truly a master of disguise, and its combination of mimicry, jet propulsion, and ink clouds makes it an expert at escaping from danger.